In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Microsoft Excel. Changing the font style in Excel is a simple yet powerful way to make your spreadsheets more readable and visually appealing. Whether you're preparing a report, organizing data, or creating a professional presentation, selecting the right font can make a big difference in how your information is perceived. To begin, open your Excel workbook and select the cells or range of cells where you want to change the font. This can be a single cell, an entire row or column, or even the whole worksheet. Once the cells are selected, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Home tab, you will see the Font section, which contains options for font type, size, color, and additional formatting features. Within the Font section, look for the Font drop-down menu. This is where Excel displays the current font style being used in your selected cells. Click on the drop-down menu to view a list of available fonts. Scroll through the list to explore different font options and find one that suits your document or personal preference. As you hover over each font, Excel will display a live preview in your selected cells, allowing you to see exactly how the text will look before applying the change. Once you have decided on a font style, click on it to apply it to your selected cells. Instantly, the text in those cells will update to reflect the new font, giving your spreadsheet a fresh and professional appearance. You can repeat this process to experiment with other fonts or apply the same style to other parts of your worksheet for consistency. In addition to changing the font style, you can also adjust other aspects of text formatting in the font section, such as making the text bold, italic, or underlined, and modifying the font size and color. Combining these options allows you to highlight important data, improve readability, and create a spreadsheet that looks polished and well-structured. By mastering the font style settings in Excel, you can enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your spreadsheets. It's a small adjustment that can have a big impact on your data presentation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.